Thailand, and today we're gonna learn we're gonna make some fluffy glitter glue slime, which is kind of cool to me. So I put some glitter glue in this already. So yeah, so you're gonna be needing glitter glue, which I already put in there, and some borax and water, shaving foam, something to mix with, and something to mix it. So I'm kind of mixing my glitter glue in there. It's kind of sticky. I mean, you know how glitter glue is. So I'm going to put some borax and water in it. Okay, that's enough. Well, you don't have to make it like that liquidy. Mine's like that thick enough for, yeah, mine's getting kind of thicker. Kind of like that. Well, you don't have to make it like that. So I'm going to put some shaving foam in it, like a drop. And you're going to mix it. And you'll see it becoming kind of solid. Like, you had to put some more than me, but yeah. I'm going to put some more again and again. And you do it again and again till it gets like a light color and nice and solid type thickness like slime looks. So that's what I did. Now it's nice and thick enough. Nice and solid. And it's kind of working. I think I gotta put some more little water, some hot water, I guess. I'm gonna wash my hands a little bit. I'm gonna wipe them perfectly. And I'm going to mix this a little bit. I'm going to get some hot water. Pour some in there with my fingers. And yeah, you'll see it become. Gonna go ahead, put some of this in. If it's a lot, don't worry, just put some in again. It'll be possible for you too. Okay. I'm gonna take some of it a little bit out. You might be seeing, if you're using red glitter glue, you might be seeing it become like pinkish. Back in. I'm going to put it here. It's kind of like, yeah. There's some more left in there. This is kind of sticky, but don't worry, you're gonna need it. Sorry about my gross little hands. That was it. Get this one out. I'm gonna see it come down if you just do like that a little bit. So yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hands because it's gross. You have to wash your hands perfectly so that they're not gross. You're perfect. So let's go to my room in 3, 2, 1.